Yo, look at her skin, y'all. Her skin is so nice. Look at it. She got really nice skin. That's my little sister. Let me see. Let me see. She look. Yeah. Hey! Die. You little sister. Huh? Her mom negro. Oh. Beautiful. How do I say beautiful? Beautiful.
In Bisaya, guapa.
Guapa, dai.
She's
Yeah.
pretty.
Yeah. We all beautiful. Everybody beautiful. Africans do look like her. There's Africans that look like her. But she look like, in America we see videos of Filipina girls and boys, and they say that there's black kids in the Philippines, and they do look like her. She look like the kids. But it's a good thing. Real good.